When I was born, long ago, my parents made the choice to allow me to remain female. They believed that to have me altered would be an offense to nature. So they took me far up into the mountains and built our family a home in seclusion. They taught me to think, to read, to wonder. They taught me to love the person I was. When they passed, I remained. I had planned to die up there, undiscovered. But that is no longer possible. The tribunal must not be allowed to take from this child the gift that I was given. So I present myself to you as a woman without regret. I am happy